Hey guys, today we're cooking breakfast. Let's go. Okay, I just woke up and I have a really big craving for some hash browns. Now, I'm cheating. I'm not gonna do these from scratch. I did pick up a bag of already shredded hash browns that I'm just gonna fry up in the pan, but I thought I'd show you how I put this breakfast together for 4 people. Let's see what I have. Okay, I got some Kroger country style hash browns. They're already shredded. These are from Mariano's if you have one in the area. Then we have some sausage links. These sausage links are from Costco. They're the Johnson's pork sausage links. Really good. Then we have 8 eggs, a scallion, and for seasoning we're going to do salt and pepper, always. Everything but the bagel seasoning, paprika, and then we also have some refrigerated minced garlic. I like using this because it keeps your hands from smelling nasty. Every once in a while I'll peel and chop a garlic clove, but not today. And then I have my coffee, pumpkin spice nonetheless. Okay, let's put this together. Okay, I want to get these hash browns going right away first, but I also want to cook the sausage at the same time. So I have a pan here, and then I have one back over here that we're going to have both of them going at the same time with. You want to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or honestly, whatever oil you have in the house will work. We just prefer the taste of olive oil. You want to crank your stove and make sure it's on high heat. This is so your pan gets nice and hot. When you put your hash browns in, you really want them to get a nice golden crust, and you don't want to put them in the pan too soon. I'm also not going to be using all of this bag. This is a 30-ounce bag. I'll probably use maybe half of it. I just kind of want to fill the bottom of the pan completely and have enough for everyone that I'm feeding today. And then we're just going to add our sausages right to the pan. You want to make sure that you're flipping them every couple of minutes to get them a nice golden brown on each side. These take about 10 minutes or so. They're already cooked, so you're not cooking the sausage, you're just getting them nice and seared. Oh my gosh, this crow needs to be quiet. Okay, I can hear this oil getting really hot. We're gonna move it around the pan, turn the burner down to about a 6. We're gonna add our hash browns. We're going to add our seasonings. I'm starting with everything but the bagel. Salt. Pepper. A little paprika for color. And then I'm going to dice up my chive. Okay, we're going to sprinkle in our chives. Let's check how the bottom looks. Yep, it's cooking away. These can take a little bit of time. So let's move on to the sausage and flip those over. They're a little sleepy today, so they're not cooking as fast as I thought. See this golden color? That's really what you're looking for there. You want to try to flip it so that the golden part is up on top, and then you can cook the bottom the same way. As opposed to just mixing it all together. You can mix it all together, but I like to try to cook it as evenly as possible. I envy people that can just take this whole thing and like flip it over. Not in this house. We are not professionals, nor do we claim to be. You know what I'm saying? Okay. See how it has that nice golden crispy color? These are nowhere near done yet. Just that level of hash brown is. So we're gonna let these go. Again, we're right around medium heat because you don't want to burn them either. Just wanted that pan nice and hot. Now we're gonna sprinkle in about a teaspoon of minced garlic. This is an ingredient you don't really need. If you don't like garlic, skip it. Just for a little extra flavor. And the reason I didn't put it in the pan right away is because garlic burns pretty easily, and we had it on high heat, so we don't want to do that. When we flip it back over, it'll incorporate more flavor. Okay, the hash browns are done, so I covered them up just to keep them extra warm. These are finishing up now. We're going to flip them one more time. And then as soon as I flip them, we're going to get the eggs going, because the eggs, they cook the fastest. So you always want to make sure you end with the eggs. Okay, some olive oil in the pan, and you're gonna crack your eggs. We're frying eggs today because it tastes so good to have a fried egg over hash browns, and then the yolk just runs on them. So yummy. Again, you can do any type of egg with this. If you don't like fried egg, you can do scrambled. If you don't like a runny yolk, you can cook it well done. Ooh, one of my yolks broke. We'll give that one to Jay because he doesn't really care either way. Some salt. Some pepper. And we're going to start separating the eggs, loosen up the bottoms. Okay, I'm going to get some plates out. Time to eat. Thanks guys for joining me in today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and let me know what you want to see me cook next. See you next time. Bye.